Hello, welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It's Jennifer Woolsey here. I hope you're doing great. We are going to do a makeup tutorial and talk a little bit about thankfulness. Are you thankful today? What are you thankful for? Share with me in the comments. I'm interested to hear what you're thankful for. Okay, so we've already done the skincare, so let's hop in. We have done the vitamin C serum, the depuffing eye serum, because these eyes, girl, whatever. Belif Aqua Balm to add some moisture and balance that pH level, and then Belif Eye Balm, bam, for those eyes. So pretty cool. Anyway, so share with me in the comment section what you are thankful for. I know it's not November, but sometimes we have to change our mindset a little bit, right? I'm pulling the hair back, so deal with me for just a second. So I was challenged this last week by a coach that I have to make a list of 100 things I'm thankful for. I'm going to go in with some VDL primer and prime this face. This thing is so cool. Watch. Bam! You push it down and pick up the lotion. Isn't that cool? So cool. Okay. Anyway, to make a list of the 100 things that I'm thankful for. And I was like, gosh, this is going to take me all weekend long. And really, we took the boys out to the lake Saturday and went fishing. And I don't have a fishing license, so I couldn't fish. So Chad was fishing, and the boys and I were just sitting and watching. And I took my spiral notepad, and I started on my list. How long do you think it would take you to make a list of 100 things that you're thankful for? And you know, the funny thing is, I would say probably the first 50 on my list are people that God has blessed me with. So I think that sometimes if you feel like you need a little shift and adjustment and thought process, sit down and make a list of the, can you see how that kind of gives a little extra glow to my skin? Ooh, we're glowing. We're glowing this morning. Gonna do Cashmere Complexion in the concealer. But it really helped change my perspective whenever I made that list. And it's crazy sometimes how just sitting down for a minute and thinking about the things, good morning, sister, thinking about the things that we are thankful for, how it changes your perspective. I mean, we live in America. If you're watching this, you're probably living in America. If not, in America, we have a lot of things to be thankful for. I mean, it wasn't as hard to make that list as I thought. So I challenge you guys, if you're in a tough place and you're not feeling like, maybe you're just not feeling your groove, maybe you're not feeling your, whatever gets you going, then sit down and make a list of the 100 things that you're thankful for. It will happen a lot quicker than you think it will. It's crazy. It's crazy. I've been blessed with good people in my life, and Cashmere Complexion in shade Buttercream. For good people in my life that love me and that I love, and for my family and my church family, and for God and Jesus who gave me eternal life, I've got some things to be thankful for. Okay, we're just going to pat that in. And did you guys catch that I got a new beauty blender? About 2 months is about as long as I'm going to go with a beauty blender. You can definitely clean them out if you're interested. I just wanted to get a new one. I feel like after a period of time, they carry more germs than I want to keep putting on my face. That's totally a personal decision. We are just patting it in, and you can still see a little bit of the gleam from that VDL, but when you put that foundation on, it really it brings it down just a little bit, which is what I love about this 24-hour wear. Okay, we are good. We are good. Yes. Okay, we gotta wipe that off the hand. off the hand. All right. Next, let's do Tattoo Station for these brows and get these brows all shaped up. Good morning, Connie. How are you? What are some things that you are thankful for? That's what I want to ask this morning. I was challenged by a coach to sit down and make a list of 100 things that I'm thankful for. And I did that this weekend. And it really helped kind of brighten my perspective on what's going on in my life and the things that I'm working for my family. And I just wonder if you guys have ever sat down and done the 100 Thankfulness Challenge. You see, a lot of times, the things that hold us back are the things that our mind is fixed on. So when you're fixed on the things that you can't have or the things that you can't do, then a lot of times that will cloud your perspective in success and things that you want to accomplish or want to do. And so my coach said, step back for a minute and let's just talk about what you have to be thankful for. And so I've always kind of thought myself to be a pretty thankful, grateful person. But man, making that list was a different perspective. And so I just encourage you guys. I encourage you, if you're working on some breakthrough in your life, maybe in your business, maybe with your family, if you're working on some things that you want breakthrough for, do this. It's a wonderful mindset change because we have a lot to be thankful for. I mean, I got as nitty gritty as like food to eat. Okay, I should have showed you guys. I'm using Magix Dust as my setting powder and my blending powder, so I'm just gonna blend it all. So share with me, Cindy, Connie, Crystal, what are some things that you guys are thankful for in the comment section? Thankful for my kids and for my husband. Thankful for you guys that join me and do makeup with me so I'm not by myself in the mornings. I enjoy having that conversation in the mornings. I remember growing up, I would always listen to like talk radio and stuff in the mornings while I was getting dressed, and my sister, it would drive her nuts. She was like, don't talk to me till I've had coffee. Magix Dust is what I use there. She was like, I don't know how you can talk so much in the mornings. I'm a talker. I like to talk about things and work things out. Mono Pop, we're going to use shade browns today. That's just how I jive. I am a talker. I got to talk things out and it makes me feel better. And really writing it out on a piece of paper. I'm using this shade and this shade and putting it all over the lids of my eyes. Did you all have a good Father's Day with your families? Did you do something special for the man in your life? I'm blessed. That's one of my other thankfulness ones. I'm blessed with an amazing husband who is a good dad. Did you know, it's kind of a negative thing, OB. Friends and family, yay, OB. Job. I was like, what? You're thankful for going to the OB? Girl, you are really getting nitty gritty. We're going to use this one and this one. What was I? Oh, I was going to tell you a story about something. I can't remember now. I done lost my train of thought with Cindy's OB thankfulness. Girl, she is going in. Okay, we're just going. Yeah, that's not too dark. Good. We're just going to do working that crease. Just working it. It's not too dark. It was an easy day. Oh, good. I cooked some dinner. He went fishing. So that's kind of his heart thing. So I didn't have to do much, which was nice. Okay. So for that bottom part, I should have showed you guys. I blended this and this color in and went in on that bottom part and just kind of blended it all together. Good. Now we're all blended. Yay! We're celebrating everything today, including our eyeshadow. We're going to use SuperExtend in black for the liner. I went a little bit deep there, but that's okay. I love wearing shirts you guys were wearing. I love the shirt. Oh, thank you. I went last week. Last week I had to go get stuff for Caden for prom, and they had all of these Hawaiian shirts on sale, and I was like, well, we're not going anywhere for Hawaii, but we needed something to take our minds off of being stuck in place, and so I picked them up, each a Hawaiian shirt, and so they wore them yesterday to church, and they look so handsome. I will have to share a picture. Oh, I think I shared it here in Jennifer Will See Beauty Biz. Okay, you can get a little closer and let you see that liner. Yay, we're lined. I was trying to think of the story I was going to share with you guys. It was something about, I'm sure it was something about my husband. Okay, but anyway, thankfulness. It'll come. I need some of those ginkgo biloba tablets, you know, for memory. Love mascara. We're going to put that on these lashes and give them some love. We have new Love mascara coming in waterproof, and I'm going to start demoing that for you guys here in the next couple weeks. If you're excited about waterproof mascara, let me know. How is your taking care of yourself and eating right going? Are you guys doing this with me? I'm still doing the intermittent fasting. I'm fasting for 16 hours a day, and then I eat in all of my meals in 8 hours. So normally I stop eating at like 7:30 at night, and I can eat my next meal at like 4:30 the next day. I mean 11:30, I'm sorry. There we go. There's one coat. Me and you are twinsies today. Oh, cool. I've had this shirt forever, but I love it. I love flowers. I'm a flower girl. What are you thankful for, Jacqueline? Share with us in the comments. So I want to challenge you guys. If you missed it already, maybe you didn't. Sit down this week and do the 100 Thankfulness Challenge. I promise it will change your perspective on things you're working for in your life. Moisture Cushion Blush in Coral. I'm noticing that this is getting a little bit low, so I'm going to show you guys a trick. I've got my tweezers. I'm going to pull that out, and I'm going to replace it. And it's going to be like it's reloaded. Look. It's not going to take much, and I've got it on my pad. Woohoo! Yay! There we go. Something to be thankful for. More blush. I love this coral color. Okay, so we've got all of that. I have something new to show you. This is launching this week. I'm so excited. These are called birthday balms. Okay, so this is like the nude explosion of birthday balms. So I'm gonna let you guys pick my color today. I've been using these for a couple of weeks. I think there's 4 more shades. I've been using them for a couple of weeks, and they are the true nude. They stay with you, but they go on like a lip crayon. So this one is PYT. This one is Surprise. I really love this color. I've worn it quite a bit. Surprise. This one is a birthday Post. Not sure. It's kind of shimmery. It's really about the same color as the tube. And then this one is Birthday Suit. So any colors that you guys like. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one should I wear today? Let me match I'm really thinking this one or this one is 1 or 3 is going with my outfit. Yes, I love these birthday balms. They are so cool. Like I said, I think there's 7 shades altogether, but they're so pretty. Okay, what do you think? Y'all are answering. So I'm thinking I'm going to show you my favorite. I think we're going to go with 3. Let's try it. These lip colors are so fun. So they roll up. You can roll them up. They are crayon, so they're kind of soft. What do you think? I'm loving these colors. They're so pretty. What do you think? Do you love that color? Let me tell you what that shade was. Hello, hair. That was Surprise. Okay, so Surprise. We all were thinking the same, Jacqueline and Connie. Okay, guys, I think our look is done for the day. So go do your 100 Thankfulness Challenge. Write it down on a piece of paper, like old school paper and pen, and write it out, all the things that you're thankful for, and see if your mind shift changes. I hope you have a fabulous day. Please share this video. Somebody else may need some quick makeup tips. Maybe they need a reminder to be thankful for things in their life, and it helps support us. So thank you so much. Message me or leave me a comment if you're interested in any of these products, or if you're interested in earning some extra money, because it is free to join me right now. So thanks, guys. I love you. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.